What if I tell you petrol prices are again going to hike in future and milk prices are not the only price hike you will see? Most people think ये दो अलग events हैं. They are not. They are step 1 and step 2 of the same chain, and the chain has 4 more steps left. Here's what actually triggered this. So there's a war happening in West Asia right now. Because of that, crude oil went from $69 a barrel to $113 a barrel in just a few weeks. That's a 64% jump, and India imports nearly 88% of its crude oil. So when crude gets expensive, everything that moves, ships, or gets manufactured in this country gets costlier. This is how the chain works. Firstly, fuel gets expensive, which has already happened, and then milk gets expensive, क्योंकि cattle feed, packaging, transport सब fuel पे dependent है. Thirdly, logistic costs go up. Every truck, every delivery become costlier to run, due to which manufacturers pay more to ship their products, so they hike the MRP. And then groceries, vegetable, FMCG sub ऊपर because of MRP hike. And finally, workers and households see their cost of living going up, so obviously salary hike मांगेंगे. You are probably already seeing this. And here's the part nobody is saying out loud. That 3 rupee petrol hike, that's only 10% of the correction that was actually needed. The real number to bridge the impact should have been closer to 30. So either government absorb that cost or hike prices again in the future. So here are 3 things you should do right now with your money. Firstly, defer any big purchases that can wait, and definitely say no to new loans right now. Secondly, if you're planning a foreign trip, budget 20 to 25% more than usual. Rupee is weak and flights are expensive. Third, and most importantly, build 6 months of expenses as a safety net. Liquid funds, FD, kuch bhi. But have it ready before this gets even worse.